Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury Edition. The car comes with aluminum alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the mirrors, fog lights, a sunroof, and several other features that we'll talk about. That big green sign you see in the upper right hand corner of the windshield says that the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Let's take a walk down the driver's side of this car. You'll see on the window the little sign that says Sirius XM is on, which indicates that the car comes with 3 months of Sirius XM radio included. Of course, it has power windows, locks, and mirrors. The top button folds the mirrors in. Also has driver's memory seat, rear cross traffic alert, and a heated steering wheel. This little Forte only has 24,038 kilometers on it. Steering wheel, as already mentioned, is heated. It's leather wrapped, has audio and cruise controls. Up on the top is the sunroof. Getting into the car, we see Sirius XM on the radio. We shift into reverse. We have a reverse camera. We have a dual zone climate control. We have auxiliary and USB port inputs. And we have heated seats in the front and a driver mode switch. Car also has a 2-liter engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Those are leather seats. They're heated and the driver's seat is powered. In the rear, plenty of room for passengers. One other nice feature is that these are heated rear seats, so your passengers can ride in comfort also. Going a little bit further back on the car, we have a really large trunk here. Plenty of space for suitcases, groceries, sports equipment, outdoor equipment, anything you happen to be carrying. Picture that EX badging. And this little Forte 4 is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. We're open from Monday to Thursday, 9 to 9. Friday and Saturday, 9 to 6. And Sundays and most holidays, 11 to 5. Come on down, bring the family. Take this little Forte out for a drive. See how well everybody fits, how comfortable everybody is, and what great economy you can get with this little Forte. Remember, the best way to make an informed decision about a car that you're considering is to actually come down and drive the car.